Hi everyone, in this video we are going to generate CSR and install SSL certificate on cPanel hosting server. You can use this procedure if your website is giving SSL certificate warnings, or you want to install certificate again, or you want to change domain on SSL certificate. Make sure you watch this video till end so you don't miss a single step. Steps we are going to follow here are: first we will generate CSR, then we will rekey the SSL certificate, then we will install the certificate, and then at last we will do HTTP to HTTPS redirection. So in order to generate CSR, first we need to go to cPanel admin and then go to SSL/TLS section. Once you are here, click on certificate signing request. Enter your domain name, city, state, country, and company name, and click on generate. With this, encoded CSR and private key will generate. Open Notepad and copy paste encoded CSR and private key because we are going to need them later on. Now let's go back and open our SSL certificate. Now we need to rekey the SSL certificate. In order to rekey, copy the CSR and paste it here and click on add change and then click on submit all changes. Now once you have actually done that, it will show certificate request pending reassurance. Now refresh the page 2-3 times and it will generate new certificate. Once it is generated, you will get an option to download certificate. Since we are installing on cPanel, I'm going to select our server type Apache and click on download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, unzip the file. We need to upload the .crt file, the alphanumeric one. Go to SSL/TLS section again in cPanel. Click on generate, view, or delete SSL certificates. Now let's quickly upload it. Click on choose file, and we have to upload the first one, which is alphanumeric one. Okay, now it's uploaded. Go back and click on install the certificate. Now as you can see, private key is automatically entered. In case it's not there, you can paste from Notepad. Now click on install certificate and certificate is installed. Now let me quickly test my SSL certificate. By the way, this is the website sslshopper.com. I'm going to enter my domain name and check site. Now as you can see, it's not showing any certificate error, which means SSL certificate is installed. We are at last step. We need to redirect all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. Now in order to accomplish this, we need to go to file manager. Once we are here, we need to go to public_HTML folder, and we have to locate this file .htaccess. Sometimes this file is hidden, so you can unhide it from here. And in case it's still not visible, that means file is not created yet, and you can click on file here and generate .htaccess file. So I'm going to edit this file. I have written this script for you. You can go to my website and copy paste from there. Make sure you switch techjust.com with your domain. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. And click on save changes. Now I'm going to refresh my website, and padlock is appearing before my domain name, which means SSL certificate is installed. I hope the video was helpful. Please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.